guys, Coach Lo here, and I want to take some time to go over the 10-Day Sugar Fix Starter Kit. In every kit, you're going to get our signature all-in-one protein. You're going to have the option of whey or vegan and the flavors of chocolate or vanilla. This protein is going to help satisfy your sweet tooth while avoiding future cravings. You can simply add it with water or check out one of our recipes in the guide. Our next supplement is going to be our electrolytes. Hydration is going to be crucial over the next 10 days. It's going to help with that sustainable energy. You're going to simply add this to water, and it makes that water taste great with flavors like mixed berry. We also have some items that are optional upgrades to the kit. The first one being magnesium. A lot of people are deficient in magnesium, and it's crucial to help regulate blood sugar and those energy levels. And last, you can also add in our collagen. It's a great way to add flavor without all the added sugar. You can put it in simple things like yogurt and oats, or my favorite, coffee. That's it for the kit. Good luck on the 10-Day Sugar Fix.